This driver was trying to make tea with his Honda. Here's another funny clip, and that's what happens when someone tries to copy BMW. My spirit just left my body after this one. Now this is some real life Fast and Furious. Zach King tried to shoot content for his new video. After crashing the car, he tried to fix it. You know, I think Santa might start using this car for Christmas. This truck driver crossed a few limits and caused a fire. This driver just saved his Lamborghini. Drifting like this around the mountains might not be the best idea, but it's pretty cool. Is that a truck or a tank? This Lambo driver shows off his new exhaust. You drift with the Supra and everyone will follow. This Mustang driver rotated his car 360 degrees.
Wow, that's pretty amazing too.
Guess the name of this car in the comments down below. Drifting, but goes wrong. That's what we call a clean burnout. If you made it this far in the video, that means you're probably really enjoying the content. Make sure to like and subscribe. Even military trucks can swim. Oh no, these two drivers tried to drift and it didn't end well. Blue smoke really looks great on this blue car. You don't need a car for drifting. All you really need is just 4 wheels. Fixing something like this is not that easy at all. Skills matter, even if you're in a Ferrari. It almost sounds like a jet engine. Is it fake or real? And that's what a Supra's made for. When you make your boyfriend mad, but he's your ride home. If the subscribe button is still red, like this and the Ferrari turns gray. Here's the all-new limited edition Ferrari unveil. Is this guy a professional, or is he? You don't need a Matchbox if you got this kind of SUV. What is that, a Lamborghini or a bull? This person tried to change his toy car into a Mustang. That's some crazy exhaust. Drifting in a Bentley is not that bad of an idea. Wow, this Toyota Supra is really cool looking. What do you think? Whose fault was this? Drifting under rainbows is super cool. So many memories are attached with this car. McLaren, but with a little twist. This driver made his truck for his grandpa. Unfortunately got caught in a manhole. Like and subscribe and you'll own your own dream car, maybe even a supercar. If anyone knows the name of this car, let me know down in the comments. Now that is what we call a clean drift. This guy really wanted to show off his exhaust. If you made it this far and you're still not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and see what it does to this car. If you had a choice to choose your girlfriend or a car, which one would you choose? This Ferrari looks really good in red. Oh, nice jump. I think the military used this as kind of like a smoke bomb. Oh boy. Now this one is spitting fire from his new exhaust. Drifting with the Supra is not that bad of an idea.
Is there anybody in here? Oh no, oh fuck.
This Dodge drifts a little bit. This Mustang looks really good. Crossing the limits isn't a good thing, but it's not also that bad. Man, I like me some Lamborghinis. I'm recommending 2 videos for you guys, so don't forget to watch them, and I'll see you on the next one.